Okay, this is the app that I need finished. It's called AI Bible Games. It has several games. It's a freemium app. We've got a free version, which is ad supported, and then we've got the paid version, which has no ads and it has additional games. So I'll show you quickly how the game works. So if we play the free game, we have this paywall, and then it says ad free, and then it shows we have 4 more games that are in the paid session, and it shows those here. And then we've got our paywall. And of course, this is a little out of order. It should first be weekly, then monthly, then quarterly. And then when you click on this, it should take you to the checkout. It's not currently doing that, and that's one of the things that needs to be fixed or updated in the app. I already have a subscription, so this is why it says update here. But if we play the free game, and this is this button on the top here, and we'll enter in our name. And then it'll show the first turn. It's a verse game, verses of the New Testament. The game is based on, and every turn has a new verse, as you see there, and it has a discussion of the verse. It gives the player choices, and then we've got this interstitial ad that shows at the end of every turn. And so what it should do is it should show an image, which it did not do this time. So let's try that again. Sometimes the game does not play 100% because it's AI, and of course it's not 100%, but it usually works correctly. So it should work correctly this time. So we've got the 6 choices and the image.
On my way to prank my mom at the
and then, of
grocery
course,
store
this is
again, but it backfired.
the interstitial ad.
Well, Mom?
And then there's an image. It should be an image every turn. So this is the free game. So what I'm going to do is log in now and show you how the paid game works. So actually, I'm already logged in as the paid game, so I don't have to log in. But so if we go to the new game here, now we see all of the games. So we have the adult game. We have 2 games, Scripture Session, 3 games, Scripture Session, New Testament, the AI Experience, and New Testament Trivia Challenge. The Scripture Sessions and the New Testament AI Experience are basically the same game, except that Scripture Sessions is a game that's based on a verse of the Bible, of the New Testament, every turn. And the New Testament, the AI Experience, is just a game that's based on the New Testament but doesn't have a verse every turn. It's more of a story type of game. And then we've got a trivia game also. This plays exactly the same as the other game, except that it doesn't have an ad at the end of the first turn. And this time, of course, it showed the image correctly, which it usually does. So this is basically the game. The back end is what we need to have finished. I'll have the notes in the posting as to what things need to be done. We need to get branch.io installed and a couple other minor things. But the game is mostly finished. It just needs to be, the last few things need to be done. Thanks.